Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a plane in Lego Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you would do is just simply go to the toy section in your crafting tool and just simply add a dynamic foundation. And if you have a flat surface, just simply go over there. Like for example a roof. Now just will place it right over here. And make it a proper square. And now once you have your square panel, just simply drop it down onto the floor. Again, open the toy section and place 4 small balloons at all the 4 corners, as you can see right over here. Now after doing that, go to the building section and just simply add a wood foundation. And after that, again go to the toy section. And now just simply add a thruster over here. And as you know, there is no steering wheel in this game as of yet. So we are going to use this thruster over here to turn the plane around. After you place this side, simply go at the back over here and place small thrusters. So just simply add 2 at both sides. Now after that, just simply take a block. So go to the building parts and take a small wooden block. And now just simply place it right over here. And now what you have to do is go to the toy section and just simply get the switch and place it right over here on the top of it. And now this is going to be our thruster that is going to take us forward. And put a controller right over here for this thruster over here. Now once you have set this all up, take a small balloon and place it right over here, because we will be needing to balance the entire thing. Now take the big balloons and place it right over here, and you have to do it quickly. So do on these sections on all 4 of them. Now once you're in the sky, turn on the back thrusters over here. As you can see right over here, this is how we can go forward. Now if you want to turn the ship, you will need to add another thruster over here. And then again turn the switch. And this way you will be able to even turn the ship, as you can see right over here. And if you want to go to other way, first destroy this thruster. Then place a new thruster right over here. Turn the switch on and it will go the other direction, as you can see right over here. Now again just simply destroy the thruster to go just simply forward. So this is basically how you can make a plane in Fortnite Lego. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.